Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we got a new episode on how to mine with your PC. This episode will be about Alephium coin, how you can mine it and what are the pools and exchanges available for it. Now, before we dive into the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new updates or episodes about crypto mining. After this video, you should be mining Alephium without any problems. Now, let's start with the video. First of all, we will go to the CoinMarketCap and search for Alephium. Then we will select all so we can see the full price chart for Alephium from 2022 until this present day of 2024. The current price for Alephium is $2.36 with a market cap of 183 million and the 24-hour trading volume is 1,800,000. Now, the total supply for Alephium right now is 196 million with a max supply of 1 billion. As we scroll down from CoinMarketCap, we got the official links for Alephium website, white paper, and GitHub. For social media, Alephium is active on Twitter, Reddit, Facebook, Telegram, and other platforms. As we scroll down, we will see the all-time high of Alephium is $3.86, which was 2 months ago, and the all-time low, which was 1 year ago, with the price of 0.046 cents. Now, for the exchanges, we got the Uniswap with Ethereum, we got Gate.io that we will be using later for the address for the miner, and Mixes, Bitget, CoinEx, and a lot more. And this is for the CoinMarketCap. Now we will have to create an address for the mining pool. I will be using Gate.io for the address. If you don't have an account for Gate.io, I will leave a link in the description so you get 10% off. After we come to the Gate.io website, we will come here to the assets, then to the spot account. Here we will choose to deposit, on-chain deposit, and then we will choose the coin here. We will type Alephium. Choose Alephium. Here we will get the address that we will be using on the miner and the pool. For that, we will be going to mining pool stats. From mining pool stats, we will search for Alephium. Here we got Alephium, and here we got all the pools for it. We got Hero Miners pool, Hum pool, DX pool, and Woolly Poly pool, and a lot more. For this video, I will be using the Woolly Poly pool. Now, after I click on Woolly Poly, I will scroll down and choose the Alephium. After I click on the Alephium, we got the PPLNS and the Solo. If you want to mine solo and if you want to mine with the rest of the pool. After that, I will click on how to connect, and here you can choose which location. Now, Woolly Poly has a lot of servers. Depending on your location, choose accordingly. For me, I will be choosing the EU. I will be choosing the Europe one. Now, for the miner, if you are using NVIDIA, I will advise to use TRX miner. If you are using AMD, I will advise you to choose the BZ miner. For me, I'm using NVIDIA, so I will be using TRX miner. And here, we need to enter the wallet address. The wallet address that we got from the Gate.io. This wallet address. I will copy it and then come to the pool and paste it right here. Now we need to enter a worker name. I will call it Harati. After that, you will get the download for the TRX miner. I will choose this, and here's the TRX miner. If you don't know how to set up a miner and add it in the Windows security, I will advise you to go and watch the first episode. After we download the miner and complete configuring it, we will come here and copy this text. After I copy this text, you can create a new bat file with the name Alephium, or you can use the existing one, like this one, Alephium/woollypoly.bat. We will click show more option, and then we will click edit. After we copy the text, we will come here and we will choose to paste it right here. And then we will do save and exit. Before we exit, as we can see here, we got Blake 3 algorithm. This algorithm is for Alephium coin, and here we got the pool.eu.woollypoly. This is the pool that we are choosing right here for Europe. After that, this is the address for the miner, and this is the name for my miner. Now I will exit it, and then I will come here and I will start the miner. And here, as we can see, the miner has started mining Alephium. Here, as we can see, the pool and the wallet address and the name and the password. I will leave it mining for now, and I will go to the profitability. For the profitability, I will be using what to mine to calculate the profits for Alephium. I will be using a small rig of 10 RTX 3060 as an example. For 10 RTX 3060, you will get 8 gigahash for Alephium or the Blake tree algorithm for 700 watts. For the electricity cost of 10 cents, which is the average in the United States, let me calculate, and the profits are not great at all because Alephium is not profitable right now. Now for 10 RTX 3060, you are looking only at 68 cents as a profit, which is not great at all for now. And if I choose the 10 RTX 3070, it will get us 12 gigahash and 1100 watts. For the same electricity cost, it will get us $1.77 minus 87 cents for the electricity, which equals to 90 cents per day, which, as I said before, it's not great right now. There you have it. Another episode of how to mine with your PC. This episode was about Alephium coin, which is not very profitable right now, but it might be in the future. I showed you how to create an address with Gate.io, and if you want to create an account in Gate.io, I will leave a link in the description so you get 10% off. After we created an address, we copied the address and we gone to the mining pool stats. We typed Alephium and we got the Alephium pools. For this video, we chose the Woolly Poly pool. After we click on the Woolly Poly, we got to this UI. After that, we click on the Alephium pool, how to connect, and then we completed with the selection. We selected TRX for NVIDIA and BZ Miner for AMD. Here we pasted the address from the Gate.io to the pool right here, and we called our miner Hierarchy as the name of the channel. Here you can download the miner, and then you will need to copy this text. And you can create new bat file as they are saying right here, or you can choose an existing file and paste this on it and start mining like this. So if you found this information valuable and are interested in cryptocurrency mining, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates about crypto mining. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And for those looking to support our channel, I will leave addresses in the description down below for donations and the Patreon page if you want to subscribe. Your support helped me create more content and grow our community. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.